Hi, I'm Suzette from Wahl Cutek, South Africa. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Cutek Advanced Wahl Professional Hair Straightener. This hair straightener has got different heat settings that can be adjusted at the bottom. I'm going to be using it at 190 degrees because of the hair type and also the texture. You can use it up to 230 degrees. That will be ideal for coarser, curly type of hair. With this iron you can straighten the hair, but you can also make curls. I will be showing you both. Always use a heat protector when ironing the hair. I'm going to start at the middle back with thin sections. It is good to use a comb that is also heat resistant. When flat ironing hair, it is important to use thin sections and put the iron in behind the comb and pull down slowly. Never flat iron hair that is still wet. You need to dry the hair first. When you flat iron a strand of hair, there's two ways of doing it. When you pull straight out, it will give you more volume than pulling down. If you want a lot of volume, pull the hair up. I've now sectioned out the sides to curl that back into a soft curl. The Cutek iron's got a cold tip and swivel blades that'll assist you when curling the hair. One of the many benefits of this amazing tool is the swivel cord. When you do curls, it will assist you in not winding up the cord and getting stuck around it. This style was created with the Wahl Cutek iron, the perfect tool whether you want straight or curly. Thank you for watching.